Hey YouTube, how you doing today? Got a little quick video I wanted to do for you here. Wanted to share this with you. Uh, the other day, I had to transport a trailer. Pretty fair distance. Not real far, but pretty fair distance. And the bad thing was, it didn't have a set of working trailer lights. So rather than take and worry about getting a ticket for non-functioning trailer lights, the wife said, well, why don't you use that little emergency light that you gave me? And I was kind of puzzled for a second. I thought, well, what's she talking about? And then she pulls it out of the drawer. And yeah, I thought, man, that's a great idea. So what it is one of these little lights from Harbor Freight. It's one of the best lights that they've come up with yet. I'm not sure if anybody's ever done video on one of these yet. They probably have, but if they have, it still bears repeating. These are a really great little light. It's got a 3-function switch on it, and the first position lights up a series of LEDs around the edges that are all red on continuously. Good little idea, makes a nice marker light. The second part of the switch lights up the center, all bright white LEDs. So it makes a good flashlight, makes a good work light. It does come with a couple functions on it, little hook thing that you can hang it from something. This little magnet in the back will allow you to attach it to metallic surfaces. And it's just, great little work light. I mean, you can put these inside the hood of your car in an emergency, have plenty of bright light to see what you're doing to work on your vehicle. And the third position on these things, the red LEDs light up again, but this time they go in a flashing mode. So it's a really, really handy little work light, safety light. I looked at her, I thought, man, I wished I'd have thought about that. It was a good idea. So I took and I got the thing, and I thought, okay, well, I need to figure out how to fasten this. And she's like, well, why don't you just tie it on? Well, that's kind of easier said than done. But I got to looking at it a minute, and I thought, wait a minute, tie it on. Tie. There you go. So I got a couple tie wraps, took the hook, put it 90 degrees to the body, put it on the back of the trailer on the top rail, took the tie wraps and wrapped them around, cinched them up tight, a couple on each one, and yeah, it wasn't going anywhere. Worked out perfect. So took off, got the trailer moved. I know I was taking the chance because the cops could, still give me a ticket for non-functioning lights. But I thought, what the heck, I wasn't going to worry about it too much. It worked, got us where we wanted to go. The thing worked great because of the fact that it alerted people something was up. So they kind of backed off of me a little bit, didn't follow me quite so close on my trailer, and it just worked out great. So as soon as I got done doing it, I thought, well, I need to go to Harbor Freight and get a couple more of these. So I had a little bit of money, so I went over get 2 more. So I got them, brought them home, and it wasn't until the next day I thought about it. I thought, well, I need to check these out, make sure they're going to work, like I want them to. So the first thing I did, turned it on. Well, it didn't light up. So I tried the second one. Nope, didn't light up either. Thought, oh, this is not good. What's wrong here? So I removed the 2 screws in the back that hold the thing together, opened it up, and got to looking. There you go. There was the problem. Corroded batteries. Not a good deal. Both of them corroded, just, shot. One thing was, the one wasn't as bad as the other. It hadn't affected the terminals for the actual connections for the batteries themselves. So I thought, well, maybe this one still might work. So I got 3 more batteries to put into it. Put them in. Turned it on. Nope, sorry, didn't work. So it was shot. So I took the 2 of them back to Harbor Freight. Told them what had happened. And we did an even exchange, just traded even for 2 others that did work. And yeah, as soon as I went over to the bin to pull them out, first thing I did, because they do come up working batteries, I turned them on to make sure they did work. So I found the first one did not work. Set it off to the side. Second one worked. Third one worked. So I picked up those 2, went up to the cashier and told him, said, yeah, you might want to have somebody go through these bins because, might have some more that are bad. So anyway, I brought them home, and the very first thing I did, and if you get these, you should do this too. First thing, pull the batteries out. They're cheap Chinese-made crap. They're not worth it. Take them out of there. Get 3 good batteries. Put them in, and you'll be fine. But also remember, don't leave batteries in things like this for too long a period of time without checking them from time to time. Even if they still work, you still want to check them because sometimes batteries do leak and they do corrode. And you don't want that in your devices. But anyway, I thought I'd share this with you. So, remember, you go to get one of these, check them out first, bring them home, change the batteries. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because we got great content coming. Hit the notification bell so as soon as one of my new videos comes out, you'll be notified and you'll be able to come check it out. And keep watching because next week I've got some really great videos coming out. Some outdoorsy things. It'll be part of a series, and I think everybody's really going to like this one. So keep watching, stay tuned, and I'll talk to y'all again later.